Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Google Sites guide, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF, a simple PDF file to your Google site. It's really easy once you know where everything is, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, open Google Sites and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, choose the site where you want the PDF to appear, or create a fresh site if you're starting from scratch. Now, click the Edit button. This takes you into the page editor where you can add content, and this is where we'll place the PDF. All right, so look over on the right-hand panel and choose Insert. Scroll a bit until you see Drive. Tap that, and you'll get a pop-up showing all your Google Drive files. Find the PDF you want to upload. If it's not showing up, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type the file name. Once you see it, click it and hit Insert at the bottom. Your PDF will drop right onto the page, and from here you can resize it, drag it around, or center it. Google Sites automatically embeds it so visitors can scroll through the pages. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button in the top right. If this is your first time publishing, you'll choose a site address. If the site already exists, you just confirm the update. Oh, and one quick tip. If you update the PDF later inside Google Drive, the version on your site updates automatically, so you don't have to re-upload anything. And that's all there is to it. Your PDF is now live on Google Sites and ready for your visitors. If this helped you out, consider subscribing for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.